Look there. The whole island gone, people. See it there. See it there. See the light post there. Not even want to come too close. Yeah, man. Why Trelawny feel it, people. Look there. Look on the road. Look there. No road, no there, so people. Yeah, man. Disaster, man. I want to go from over the next angle and make the people see what I go on. Could they? Blow, yo, brother, never walk too close, you know? Yeah, man. See the people? Mash up, man. Yeah, man. I don't know. Normal. Right now, them people are feel it. Yeah, man. See it there? Road. Big old landslide, people. See it there? Boy, I'm not telling a lie. Boy, father. I wicked this one, this way of a face. Man, banana tree, everything. See it there? Mash up completely. Yeah, man, I saw it on people. Trelawny mash up, people. Mash up, mash up, mash up, mash up, mash up. Just a hope and prayer. Get some assistant and thingy people them down here, so you know? Yeah, man, because it's not a pretty sight, people. Yeah, man. Right now, I can't even hear from my people, because phone service, everything down here shut down. It come like is a you know, it come like we are living at the ancient time that we don't know phone nothing. Everything connection, everything shut off, people. Yeah, man. So we just have to do what we have to do. I couldn't see it from the angle here, but it don't look good, people. See it there? Yeah, man. See it there, people. Land gone completely. Yeah, man. Gone completely, man. Half the map, man. See it there? Terrible, people. Land gone. Landslide. Wicked landslide. Imagine if you had a drive all through all this storm and you just feel like you're dead. Yeah, man. See it there? Light post, everything down in that. Like it's a river. See it there? Yeah, man. The whole light in your mouth, people. See it there? Melissa left everything drastic, wicked condition. Forward over here, sir, bro. Yeah, man, I not even could have drive my car, people. Yeah, man, I not even could have drive my car, people. And my bridging bike, I have to carry me down here. Because the whole road get knocked, you know? Yeah, man, it drastic, man. And this road that I always travel upon, you know? Yeah, man, it's powerful. Yeah, people, so you don't know. They are Trelawny. It's not a pretty sight. The farmer them feel it. I tell you. Right now, me know. Even though they must say goods and things, and you don't know people now make the money in the end time. Yeah. Everybody has suffer right now. You see me? From the baby, go straight up and suffer right now. Everybody feel it. You go all at supermarket, food there enough, but who can afford it, can't afford it. Who can buy it, just can't buy it, because we not make the money right now. Nothing now go on right now. Look on the big old landslide that, you know, people usually used to hear about landslide, you know, but me see it in a real life now, you know? Yeah, man, but we just hope and pray that things can change and get better, and we can rebuild from this, you know? Yeah, man, because it's a drastic situation and we never expect this. Right now, me about it, because me as a man, me always watch news and them things, but me never did that to keep update on this time. And when me hear say there and them things, I mean, I take them things lightly still, people, you know, because a natural disaster. But me just hope we rebuild from this, you know. Yeah, man, but Trelawny really bad. And hope the big guys them see it and see what going on, and they can come and assist the people. But this I pray, people. Yeah, man. People